Well, it's that time of the year again, where we watch our favorite Christmas movies like Die Hard, Christmas Story, Jingle All the Way, and Elf. Well, at least those are mine. But I wanted to slow things down just for a bit before they ramp up because I know that things can get hectic around this time of the year. But they don't have to. Let's ease our way into the holiday season because I'm going to give you 5 reasons why you should give the gift of Paracord this Christmas and holiday season, and be sure to stick to the end for my favorite one. So grab a drink or snack, wrap yourself in your favorite blanket, and let's begin. So I've always loved the holiday season ever since I was a kid, and there was nothing better than seeing those presents under the tree and the anticipation you felt waiting for the 25th to roll around so you could finally tear into those presents like a rabid dog. But also, I distinctly remember that excitement wearing off quickly. But what if I told you you could give a gift that potentially doesn't do that? So that's where Paracord comes in. So reason number 1, it's fun. So who doesn't like to learn something new and create something at the same time? And once you get a weaving concept down, it's super satisfying to see that project come to life in your hands and in front of your eyes. And I think there's a lot of fun and enjoyment in that process. It could be a Paracord bracelet or something fun to fidget and play with like a Paracord Beglary. Number 2, there's almost an infinite number of things you can make, and it's super customizable due to the color choices. What continually blows my mind with Paracord is that you can use it to make so many different things. I mean, on my channel alone, there are over 1,000 videos on it. And I know not every video is a Paracord project, but a vast majority of them are. Which means that no matter who you're shopping for, you can find something for anyone, regardless of their skill level and the kind of Paracord project you might think they would be into. And speaking of Paracord projects, our own team of elves over at Paracord Weavers have put together some really great Paracord kits for this Christmas and holiday season. So every kit comes with the Paracord and or hardware you'll need for the project, and when it comes time to make it, you can just scan the code on the front of the box with your phone and you'll be taken to the how-to video, courtesy of yours truly. So this is a great way to introduce beginners to our wonderful hobby that we share, and it takes a lot of the guesswork out. Also, we've got a really awesome holiday bundle put together that comes with Paracord, a jig, and a bunch of other goodies, which is another great gift for that budding Paracordist in your life. And that could be even you, of course. But that all being said, if you've already got a lot of cord, feel free to put your own kit together and direct your gift receiver to one of my videos. These kits have been made available to make things easier and more accessible, should you be interested. So links for all that great stuff in the description. And getting back to the list, reason number 3. It's useful. You can make something useful or something you'll wear. Paracord is packed with practical utility. It's kind of hard to say. And if you make something like a Paracord bracelet, or even more specifically, something like, for example, a quick release blaze bar, you got something that you can wear every day. And not only that, if the cord is needed for utility or a specific purpose, you can use it and even retie it when you're done. Reason number 4, it's the gift that keeps on giving. Most of the time when gifts are bought and given, they can be thoughtful or useful, and the receiver will enjoy them, no doubt. And there's nothing wrong with that. But depending on what it is, after the gift is received, there's often a chance it can be set aside and forgotten soon after. But with Paracord, it will require a bit of participation for full enjoyment. So the receiver gets to put a bit of themselves into the gift as well. And after the project is completed, they will have learned a new skill. And it's a great thing to have some skills.
Nunchuck skills, bow hunting skills, computer hacking skills.
And before I give you my final and favorite reason, I know there are some of you Paracordists out there that just want to make a gift to give, which in itself is another great option if the person you're giving it to doesn't have the time or ability to make something. So for those situations, I'll have a playlist of Paracord projects that would make great gifts that you can make for someone that aren't just bracelets. And finally, my favorite reason, number 5, quality time. Making things out of Paracord is a great way to spend some time with your family and friends or loved ones. And making stuff together over the holidays is perfect, as we often have time off from work and school. And what better way to spend that time than doing an activity together indoors where it's warm and cozy. And as I've gotten older, I've realized that while getting stuff is fun and can bring you happiness, that happiness is often multiplied when you share it with someone. And there is one more thing I wanted to say. I know there are also a lot of people out there that spend the holidays alone. And if you're one of those people, don't worry, you're not alone. I'm here. You know, if you're out there and you don't exactly have family or friends to talk to during this holiday season, that can sometimes make you feel extra lonely. So, if that's you, just send me an email. And I'd love to hear from you and we can have a chat. We don't have to talk about Paracord, talk about anything. And of course, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.